Hey guys, how are you all doing? It's been quite some time since I did a video on the programs that I've been doing. Uh, Quite lately, I've been, working on a lot of programs, but there is a program that I've recently come across, which I found it quite difficult to do it. So I would like to, show you how it's basically done and what the program is about. I'll let you know that first. So the program is about, what it does is the program first prints the names of the dog in original order and then displays it in assorted order. So what it does is there is a hard coded names of the dogs, that is Bill, Lambo, Simba and Johnny. So the actual order is Bill, Lambo, Simba and Johnny, but then I would like to print it in assorted order. So the assorted order could be Lambu, Simba, Bill and Johnny, or Johnny, Simba, Bill and Lambu, something like that, which is not original. So like that, I had to do, and this then it displays the order in which the dogs were assorted. Like for example, the actual order is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the assorted order could be 2, 3, 1, 4 or 3, 4, 1, 2, something like that. And then it also checks if the assorted order and the original order are the same. Say for example, if the original order of course is 1, 2, 3, 4, so that would be Bill, Lambo, Simba and Johnny, and the assorted order could also be Bill, Lambo, Simba and Johnny. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 basically. So if it is that, then it checks that and also prints whether it also says that it's same, the order is same or not. So why it's been difficult for me to do is basically uh, what happens is, say for example I printed a random number, that is a random number into 4, that is this random number picks any number between 0 to 3. uh, Whoever knows programming would know that this uh, basically is uh, it's an argument for printing the any number between 0 to 3, including 3. And so in this array, this one will be the this one will be the 0th, and this one is the first, second and third. So that's why I did it between 0 and 3, that means including 3 of course. uh, so now what happens is it picks a number and then prints the, say for example it picks a number called 2. So 0, 1, 2, so it prints Simba, and then the next one could be 1, so it could be 0, and that is 0, 1, so it might pick Lambo the next time. But the problem where I had was, say for example the random number now was 2, the next random number could also be 2. That's where the problem came. So I had to design the program in such a way that in case the random number repeats, what are the suggestions I could give, what are the arguments and conditions that I could put in to stop that and only print those random numbers that is not been uh, picked yet. So there were two situations where, once if the the random number was 0, or when the random number was not 0. So I've done those two, which is now it's quite complicated to explain, but if you can take a look at it, you will understand. So I'll just show you the output directly. I'll let you know how how what's the output been like. So let me just compile it first. Okay, so it's been compiled now. Now I'm calling this a method called access. Why I'm calling a method called access is the a class called access. Sorry. So why I'm calling the class called access, because the main method is in class access. There are three classes that I had: dog, random, and access. uh, three different reasons. This is for printing random number, this is for printing the assorted names of the dogs, and this for the main method. Main arguments are in this class. So basically this controls the rest of the classes. So I'm calling the class access, and this is what I get. So the dogs in actual order, as I said, is Bill, Lambu, Simba, and Johnny. That is Bill, Lambu, Simba, and Johnny. Then the name of the dog in 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, in that assorted order, and then the assorted order how it is 3, 1, 2, 4. Is the assorted and the actual order same? No, it is not same. Why is the assorted order is 3, which is actually uh, Simba, which is come as first one, which is actually wrong. If the so this is the assorted and actual order is not same. So basically this is what it does all the time. So I hope you liked what I did. Thank you.